Hello chefs, welcome to B.Y.O Chef. For those new to our channel, we're all about promoting cultural food diversity through simple but delicious cultural food tutorials. Thank you for watching this recipe. I hope you enjoyed watching and will give this a try. If you want to see more easy recipes, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we publish new recipes. Thank you for your support and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.